Hey everyone, welcome back. iOS 26 and iPadOS 26 bring refined controls to help you manage your messages inbox more efficiently, especially when it comes to unknown senders. If you're tired of sorting through messages from unknown contacts, spam, or verification codes, Apple now makes it much easier than ever to keep your conversations organized and secure. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to launch the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to tap on the menu button located at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the Unknown Senders option in the drop-down menu. And then you have to tap on the Edit button located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, you have to tap Select Messages option in the menu, and then select the senders in question. Then you can mark the senders as known or read. However, if you want to delete them, just hit the Delete button at the bottom right corner of the screen and confirm it. And if you wish to get rid of all the unknown senders at once, choose the Select All option and then hit the Delete All button, and that's about it. With these simple settings, you can take control of your messages inbox and ensure unknown senders don't clutter your conversations. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it to keep the clutter at a fair distance, and I'll catch you up in the next one.